Any meeting that is not for betterment of Nigerian. I mean, any meeting that is not for obedati. Please
don't involve my father.
Don't involve my father.
Children.
Good afternoon, Uncle.
Good afternoon. How are you?
We are fine, thank you.
Where is your father?
My father is inside.
Wow. Oh, please help us and call him, please.
For what?
Hey.
Please, we have a village elders meeting in the village square, and your father is already late, and he's needed there. So be fast about it and go and call him. No?
That village elder meeting, is it for Eba?
Or is it for Garri?
I'm not coming to play with you guys. I say enter inside and call your father for us.
Any meeting that is not for betterment of Nigeria. I mean, any meeting that is not for obedati. Please
don't involve my father.
Don't involve my father. Please don't involve my father.
What do you know?
Are you hearing it?
Go inside and call your father, and you people are here
Is
talking.
it for betterment of Nigeria?
Hello. I don't know what is going on here.
Is this what you have in your house?
I hear you shouting.
So you are inside and you allow us to be bantering words with children here.
Wait, why are you
I
here?
asked them to come and sit down.
You are already late for the
Late for what?
elder meeting.
Village elder meeting.
That
Let me
village
ask you,
elder meeting is
that village elder meeting, is it for the betterment of 2023?
Oh.
Mazi, I won't believe that you're the one sounding like this.
Excuse me, let me tell you, any meeting that is not for the betterment of 2023 and the Nigeria youth agenda and will be that 2023, you people should avoid it. And please go and tell your youth leader, the village elder leaders, that I'm not coming.
Jesus
any meeting that is not
Lord.
for Obi 2023, you people should avoid me.
Mazi,
Do
you
you
are killing
understand?
my spirit.
Children, continue
Hey.
with your assignment. From now on, any meeting that is not for the agenda of Obidati 2023, any village elders meeting, any village youth meeting, from now on, that is not for Obidati agenda 2023, you people should please avoid me.
Avoid my
Avoid
father.
You
my
people should
father,
avoid
oh.
me.
Avoid him.
Any
Avoid
meeting
me.
from now that is not for Obidati
And
2023.
equally avoid me.
Avoid me and my children. Avoid me and my what? Children.